After months of scrambling to keep its software safe and going through significant amounts of panic attacks, India can rest easier. The country finally has access to Anthropic's Claude Mythos preview. But before we deep dive, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. And now that you've done that, we thank you very much. And here is the rest of the story. So after granting access to the EU, Anthropic takes another 15 countries into their cohort. India now joins France, Germany, Japan, South Korea and 10 others. This time, Mythos goes beyond the tech and banking world, including water, healthcare, communications and hardware in this coveted group. India is of course also joining this rollout at a very critical time. Mythos revealed exploitation capabilities previously unknown, a development that made even Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman address Indian banks and corporations. They had access to Claude Opus 4.7, but not a warhorse like Mythos. Now, India can make plans to protect their critical software. So, what we are talking about right now, we are talking about digital identity systems, public-facing citizen services, banking technology. So, where any breach is actually a glaring privacy violation. Mythos can help map zero-day vulnerabilities. We are aware of this. We've covered this extensively on Front Page in the past. We can reduce response times from weeks to hours and patch holes in record time as well. Now for India, this means building a way stronger defense against attacks. And this news comes on the heels of another, which is the fact that the European Union was granted access to Mythos after weeks of deliberation. It became the only non-US and UK agency to do so, showing how cybersecurity has become a geopolitical asset. Anthropic could be valued at around $1 trillion after it filed for its IPO confidentially, an indication that AI is quickly becoming critical for national security against state-sponsored hacking attempts and of course against bad faith actors. India's inclusion is actually the beginning in protecting its rapidly growing digital infrastructure. And here of course is the front page take. So US President Donald Trump filed an executive order. We don't know why, because that's just Trump being Trump. Now AI models will have to undergo government review. The timing is quite crucial to note. Why? Is because the point is, why should we choose oversight now? How does it affect the way models will be deployed and rolled out? And with Anthropic currently suing the US government, this development actually is a sign in terms of the fact that tension is between innovation and regulation. We have reached out to Anthropic for a comment on India's access to Mythos preview, but till now we have not received anything to give you any interesting inside juice on that particular development. We are following it up. We will continue to follow it up. But what vulnerabilities will Mythos expose in India's digital infrastructure? That's a question which we would love for you to give answers to in the comments below. Of course, if you do believe also to the fact that Mythos is a great tool which can probably help mankind on the whole, and it is coming at a price, if that is your thought as well, or the fact that Anthropic has landed one of the best marketing gimmicks ever, do let us know. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.